Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, July 4th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlesticks on a daily time frame chart. The reason we are talking about this particular market is the recent downside movement towards the low of 54,000 euro, which is very close to the low from the May 1st 2024, which is located at the level of 53,097 euro. There is a particular level I would like to indicate here on this chart. If you can take a look here, you can see the local double top, or well, double top is usually after the swing highs are made. Nevertheless, this was the movement to the downside. Some kind of a pullbacks double top was made there, or something like double topish pattern. Anyway, it is a strong technical resistance, 59,310 euros. So I will indicate this level here for your attention eventually. And since then, since this level has been made, it was rejected. Of course, this high was made, it was rejected, and now we got fourth day with the movement to the downside. Now the next target for the bears is 53,097 euro. This level is the technical support, of course, and this level will be tested sooner or later. If we zoom out even more, we can clearly see that there is one more level here on the Bitcoin to Euro. This level is located at 53,467. Nevertheless, it's still kind of a level that is very close to the swing low, so it will constitute some sort of the demand zone. Now, if we break below the demand zone, we have a confirmed top of the 2024 at 67,288 euro, and this movement to the downside would likely be even more extended. Where is the RSI these days? Where is the momentum? How the momentum looks like? As you can see, the RSI moved lower. The RSI moved again down from the level of, let's say, 44 points, and reversed sharply, and now it's on the level of 32 points only, again close to the extremely oversold market conditions. If we get the moving average, and if we apply the moving average towards the right longer term inputs like 200 and 100 periods moving average, you can see that just because there is 200 periods moving average, the Bitcoin sell-off stopped, paused, maybe paused for quite some time, at least for today. Nevertheless, any breakout below 200 periods moving average and the lows of 53,000 euro will be seeing very bearish for the Bitcoin, because that would mean most likely the swing high, all-time high, is placed on the chart already, and now we start a longer and deeper correction on the Bitcoin. So please keep an eye on these lows here, this demand zone, on the behavior around the 200 periods moving average, and of course on the RSI, because it looks like that's the last chance for the bulls. This is the line in the sand for the bulls. Any breakout lower will be very bearish for all of the bulls on Bitcoin. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.